In this video, I will explain in great details why every restaurant should have its own online ordering system and EPOS instead of relying on third-party platforms. This video is brought to you by GKSOFT, an EPOS and online ordering system provider in the UK for restaurant and takeaways. Now I will start with explaining briefly the top 5 reasons why a restaurant need an EPOS system, followed by top 5 reasons why a restaurant must have their own online ordering system. Then I will explain the selling points of GKSoft, why you should consider GKSoft to be your top choice when it comes to buying EPOS and online ordering system for your restaurant. Then I'll give a little bit brief about the competitors, our competitors, why we are better than them, highlighting some key points. Then obviously every restaurant owner have a lot of questions when it comes to buying an EPOS and online ordering system. We understand it is not a straightforward purchasing item. It is a bit complex and a lot of questions and concerns goes through the mind. So we will try to explain and clarify a lot of the misconception as well as a lot of questions through this video. Please stay with us till the end. Hopefully you will have a good value from the video if you watch till the end. So let's talk about the EPOS system. Why you should have an EPOS system. First of all, it enhances efficiency and accuracy. Suppose in a rush hour, your waiter or waitress, writing all the orders in paper. Obviously, there will be a lot of mistakes. A lot of the time, they will forget to add the drink price and other, small items price, and that way you end up losing money. As a matter of fact, all restaurant manager experience that on a regular basis. Secondly, your flow of information gets better. With handwriting, there are a lot of confusions, a lot of misunderstanding. As a result, kitchen chefs or the kitchen employee gets confused. Sometimes they end up cooking wrong items. Sometimes when someone do the packaging for takeaways, they put wrong items in the bag, and as you know, one mistakes cost you a lot of money and a lot of unhappy customers. To satisfy the customer, you have to incentivize them by offering free drinks and that. So every mistakes has a consequences. An EPOS system will help you reduce these mistakes significantly. The next point is your overall customer experience gets better and better. Customer, as I said before, less mistakes means less unhappy customers. So once your customers are happy, they will leave good feedback for your restaurant. And obviously, when customers walks into your restaurant and they see you are operating with the most up-to-date technology and equipment, it gives them a positive vibe that this restaurant has a good managing system. They are using the technology to provide good customer service. So it is extremely important to have a EPOS system to enhance your brand identity. And if it is a cloud-based EPOS system, it gives you as a restaurant manager the opportunity to operate and monitor your sales, inventory, everything from multiple locations at the same time. You can log into your system from any part of the world. The next one is integration with website online ordering and table reservation system. When you have a cloud-based system, which we provide, It can be integrated with your website, your online ordering system, your table online table reservation system, your tablets to take order from table, your printer, all in one package. So that gives uh, a chance to operate all your gadgets and equipment from one place, and you do not have to go to multiple supplier for these services and get all the confusions and different prices and packagings. So one package gives you all technology support. Now let's talk about having your own online ordering system. So first of all, having your own online ordering system, the most important thing, it will save you a lot of commissions. As you know, most of the restaurants nowadays using Uber, Deliveroo, Just Eat, and all these companies. These companies not only charge you the commissions but also steals your own customers. Now, in this picture, as you can see, someone has typed Olive Tree York. So let's go back to the slide again. Olive Tree York means this customer directly looking for this particular restaurant. They are not searching Uber, Deliveroo, or Just Eat. They simply love the restaurant Olive Tree and they search in the Google search engine for the Olive Tree, and these business profile of Olive Tree comes up in front of their eyes. Now there is a wizard, as you can see, the highlighted button order takeaway. As soon as the customer clicks on this button, it directs to them to those companies platform like Deliveroo, Just Eat, Uber Eats. So what is happening here? This customer is your customer. He's looking for you and your restaurant, and you telling them from your Google profile, go to Just Eat or Deliveroo, do not order from us, and they charging commission from your own customers. Now, if you have your own ordering system, in this link you can set up, which we will help have your own ordering systems link. So when the customer clicks, it will take them to your own ordering system, and every time it happens, you save 20%, 30% commissions. So that's one of the most important reason why you should have your own online ordering system. So next point is the customer data. If you have your own system, every time a new customer registered, registers or place an order, you get the information of their, the contact information, telephone number, email address, home address, and all that. Your system will collect all this data. In future, you can use these data to promote your business, such as text marketing, email marketing, and all that. So these data is valuable to you for future promotion and marketing. Whereas if you only use third party companies, then they collect this data and these data are exploited. They can share this data with everyone, they can divert your customers to any other restaurant of their choice. So customer data is valuable and key for marketing purpose for future. Now, brand loyalty. When a customer uh, feels they are ordering from your own ordering system, they feel personal, they feel emotionally they get attached. So they love to support you, and repeatedly they will come, and it will create your brand value, in a good position in their mind. So they feel these guys, they have their own ordering system, they have their own website, so they are maintaining their quality rather than relying on the third party service providers. Now there are various survey have been conducted, and the findings tells us 60% of the local people want to support the local business, and they are aware of the fact that these company charging high commissions and treating badly, unfairly to the local restaurants and small businesses. So they want to support you. means you have to take the opportunity by providing them a method, a means to support you. Means if you tell them, shout out loud that I have my own online ordering system, they'll have the chance to support you, these 60% people. It's a fact. So it is another key reason why you should have your own ordering system. Now another important point is domain ownership. If you use third party, they will create multiple domains in your restaurant's name and your customer gets confused, such as like Just Eat, Deliveroo, Uber, Food Hub. They will create a website and they will have their own domain with your restaurant name. When you cancel the subscription from them, or for any reason if you do not want to continue with them, they will not give you the access or the ownership of the domain. So you are confusing your customers. So when you have your own ordering system, you can have the complete domain ownership in your name, which we provide, so that you can use it to optimize your website, you know, offer better promotions, and time to time you can use your website as you wish. You can make any changes you want. So it is extremely important to have your domain ownership. Without having your own ordering system, you cannot have that. So now let's talk about the selling point of GKSoft. Why you should use GKSoft as your top choice when it comes to buying EPOS and online ordering system. So we use the cloud-based system, which gives all the restaurant manager the opportunity to remotely control their business from any part of the world. They can simply log into the system from any Android device, whether it is an Android phone, Android tablet, or Android computer. They can log into the system and they can remotely see what's happening here. They can make any changes, they can do the accounts, they can changes to the website and all that. So that's a huge advantage to have a cloud-based system. Plus, as soon as you update, it will be automatically updated, integrated to all your, restaurant if you have multiple branches, and all your connectivity, including your website. Plus, as a service provider, if you give us any requirement to make any changes, as we can do it remotely, and as soon as we do it, it will not any time to update. Within a second, it will be upgraded or updated to all your devices, including your websites. So having a cloud-based system is a must-have EPOS nowadays. The next reason is we claim to offer the cheapest and best value package in the UK. Now, obviously, as I mentioned before, it is not a straightforward purchasing. There are multiple things to consider, but I'll try to explain briefly why we are the cheapest when it comes to buying the EPOS and online ordering system, and why we claim we are the cheapest. So you have to get the total cost of acquisition, you have to calculate your weekly charges, your online payment charges. When you take online orders, obviously you would expect your customers to pay online. How these online payments are being handled, which payment gateway service you should use for your online payment, and how much commissions or transaction fee they are charging. All this should be taken into consideration. Plus obviously your weekly subscription charge and the service and the package you are getting. So let's see in the next slide. When you uh, compare our package to our competitors, you should consider what is the weekly subscription. Say for example, some will give you £10 only a week. Plus you have to consider online payment gateway like Food Hub. They charge They don't tell you the stuff. They charge 3.4% from every order that they take online, online payment from your orders. Not only that, when you use their EPOS system, they send a link without your consent to the customer to pay online so that they can charge the 3.4%, which is very unfair. Plus, some company will charge you, maybe 50 pence or £1 per order. Why should they charge that? It is your order, your restaurant. They should not be charging any money from your customers. So that's another way they taking your money away. Plus, when you have EPOS system from these companies, some companies do EPOS system with the online ordering system as part of their package, but they will charge you additional fees for the EPOS. Then they charge for the online table reservation system if you take if it is a restaurant. So what we do is we combinedly charge one simple weekly subscription for all your service, your website maintenance, your online table reservation system, your online ordering system, your EPOS. Combinedly we charge £27 per week. Now, with the online payment gateway, we use a company called Stripe. So we do not take the money to our account, unlike other companies. They collect the money to their account, and at the end of the week, they charge us their commission, or there are a lot of hidden charges. Then they transfer the money to your account. We will get you to create an account with Stripe. We will help you. Once you create the account, we will link up this account to your website, the online ordering system, and the money will be linked to your business bank account. It will go directly to your bank account, and Stripe will charge you only 1.4%, and they are proven to be the cheapest in the market at the moment. Plus, for online payment, we do not charge anything extra. For EPOS license, we do not charge anything extra. So overall, the package you have from us is the cheapest in the market. If you find any cheaper deal, we are ready to match the price or we will beat the price. That's a promise. So in our package, in one package, you do not have to go to multiple suppliers, maintain multiple suppliers, handling complaints, and payment, different type of payments and all this hassle. To save you from all this hassle, we provide everything in one package, like your EPOS, your website, your online ordering system, online table reservation system, plus no additional charges for tablet connectivity. You can connect as many tablet as you want to take orders from tables. We do not charge anything extra for the license, unlike other companies. Plus, when you sign up with us, we will maintain your Google profile to the utmost professionalism. We have expertise in our team. They will do the search engine optimization to increase your ranking in the Google so that you get more organic orders to your own website. And imagine one order if you divert from Just Eat or Deliveroo of worth of for example £20, you save £4 to £5 on commissions. And we will do the search engine optimization. We will create multiple links of your online ordering systems. Plus, the menu we lay out in your ordering system, which is integrated in your website, it has a multiple features that will help you increase your sale. Imagine every customer when they go to your website to place an order, if we strategically encourage them to add an extra item. For example, if our system somehow encourage the customer add, for example, 4 poppadoms, which cost about £2 or £3. If in 10 orders, if we successfully can make this customer extra £1 or £2 items, means £20 you are your is adding to your revenue and profit. So our ordering system has multiple functionality and features that can be utilized to increase your revenue and profit, such as you can highlight your high margin items. For example, you have 10 starters in your menu, two of them are very high in profit. You want to sell more of them to you make more profit. So you can, as you can see in the image, you can highlight them. It will flash in the website as highly recommended, and it really works. When they see this is highly recommended, means this is special. So obviously you have to justify to be the special this particular item, but our duty, our system's duty is to highlight this item and attract the customer to place and click on these items. That way your sales increase and you sell more of the high profit margin items. So next one is we provide 30 days free trial. Once we provide the system, you will use the system for 30 days. Within these 30 days, if you decide that this system is not for you and you are willing to give it back, we will give you full refund without any complexity, no complex question, no contract or attachment. We will simply take the system off and give you the full refund. That's a promise. Now, with the subscription fee, with every company they charge a service charge. They add a service charge to the bill from the customers, and customer don't mind at all. So some companies they take this money from the restaurant owners. They don't give the money to the restaurant owners. What we do is we do not touch this money. We will set a 50 pence service charge from each orders. Now, for example, if you receive 40 orders through the system, your own system that we will develop, 40 orders a week means you get £20 on service charge. If you have to pay £27 to us, then only £7 you have to pay us. The rest of the £20 you get from the service charge. Now, based on you getting 40 orders. Now, at the beginning, if you receive even 20 orders, you're getting £10 from them. You are only paying a £17. But a lot of our restaurant, in fact, a vast majority of our clients, in fact, make more money than they pay us from the service charge. Some of them are receiving 70, 80, hundreds orders a week, means they're collecting extra 40, 50 pound and they are paying us 27 pound. Now, irrespective how much or how many orders you get through the system, 1000, 2000, 3000 a week, you pay the service charge of 27 pound, no commission at all. This is not our business. We charge only for the technology we provide. So as I mentioned before, our platform is 100% commission free, 0% commission on all online orderings as well as table reservation system. And you have full access to the customer data. Even from the EPOS system, we have developed features. You can clearly see all your customer data listed in here. If you want, we can give you the CSV file which can be used for text marketing and email marketing and all that. Now let's give you a demonstration about the difference between our competitors and ours online payment gateway system. As you can see in the image, the first image shows your website. From there, once the customer add the items to the cart, they go to the payment gateway. Once they click, as you can see the third picture, if it is a third party supplier, it goes to their bank account. They charges their commissions and all the hidden charges, then they transfer the money to your account. Whereas the way we do is from the payment gateway company, the money directly goes to your account. So you save a lot of hidden charges from that as well. And as I explained earlier, the importance of domain ownership, we promise, and as part of our contract, although we do not get you sign a contract, but as part of our terms and conditions, you may say, we are obliged to give you the full domain ownership. Even after 1 month or 2 months, if you decide to move away from us, we are obliged and we will give you the domain ownership, which is extremely important. Most restaurants overlook this importance. Now, obviously, another thing is, as a matter of fact, technology and technological issues are two interrelated terms. Where there is a technology, there will be some technological problems. Although these are minors, but we answer your phone, and we, since we have the facilities to work remotely, it is an Android cloud-based system. 95% of the time we will fix the issue remotely. We do not have to visit your premises, or we do not have to ask for any access to your computer to operate and fix. We can do it remotely. In some cases, if it is a hardware issue, we will physically visit your place and solve that issue. In some cases, we may post the device or any equipment relevant to the issue. And our customer service is considered one of our top priority. Another things, obviously, every restaurants, they do not like to sign notorious contract with companies when it comes to technological matters. And our policy is not to get you in any contract signed. Our principle is very simple. We collaboratively work together with the restaurant owner to satisfy the end customer, and those we develop a relationship so that we can, both business can benefit from this relationship for longer term. This is our principle. This is the way we work with the restaurant. Even some restaurants, some of our clients, they struggle for multiple reasons. We talk to them, we support them. In some cases, we provide them up to 6 month free subscription, because if we lose this customer, if they close their premises, we do not it doesn't help us. For business purpose, we support them to stand on their ground, so that we make money out of it. We both get benefited. So this is our principle. We do not get any restaurant owner to sign any contract. And obviously, it is extremely important to give your customer a user friendly website. Like, when a customer walks into your restaurant, you try to give them the best service possible. But when they visit your website, no one physically there to receive them, to greet them, to explain them. So these things has to be dealt by your website. Your website has to navigate the customer from where they go to where they want to go, or what are they looking for. Suppose they want to place an order, your website has to tell them the steps nice and smoothly, so that they don't get confused. And once they register with your website, next time when they visit again, it should be a few clicks before they place a successful order. So as you can see in the first picture, you know the ordering system is not adequately clear enough for your customers to add the items. The next one, as you can see, this is our system. That's the way we present your menu. Is very simple to order. So in the next picture, I'll show you the steps. The online ordering system we provide simply will ask the customer whether they want to uh, order collection or delivery. Next step, add the items. Next step, checkout. If they are already registered, they are revisiting it will take them directly to the payment page, whether it is cash or card. If it is a new customer, it will take them to the registration page, where we will take only three information: name, email address, and numbers. So they are registered. This customer data is stored into your system, and payment gateway, once they place the order, you will have the notification. Once they accept the order, they get email confirmation that your order has been accepted. As simple as that. So it is really important to buy an online ordering system which will be user friendly, because I know, as a matter of fact, most of the restaurant don't even know how their online ordering system look like and how their website is treating people. It is people, customer feels like you are treating them badly if your online ordering system is not user friendly. So please, before you buy any online ordering system, whether you buy it from us or not, you must order yourself and use multiple platform to see which one is better for your customers. And in our system, there are multiple promotional features that can be utilized to promote your business and attract new customers, such as discount, multiple discount plans, special offers, promotional code, and multiple type of set meals, custom deals, banquets, all that you can create from our system using directly the EPOS. It will be updated automatically to your website. Another important thing, being a restaurant owner, I'm sure you would agree with me, a nice and tidy kitchen copy is extremely important, because when this copy goes to the kitchen, you want to show your chef where the starters are located, categorize main dishes category side dishes, so the clear the information, the flow of work gets simpler, lesser mistake, and efficient operation. So it is extremely important to look these features. What we do is we tidy up the your kitchen copy in a way, as we have many years of experience working in the kitchen, working with restaurant owners and all that, how a kitchen copy should look like and what helps the chefs to operate smoothly and easily. So if you look at the kitchen copy of other companies and our ones, you can clearly see the difference. Now let's talk about some of our competitors. As you know, as I explained before, Just Eat, Deliveroo, Uber Eats, they divert your organic customer to their site. Suppose in this image you can see Jubaraj Rubaina, a restaurant. When someone type Jubaraj Rubaina should offer them their own ordering system. But although they have their own ordering system, just for the demonstration purpose, we are giving an example. You can see the two highlighted wizard at the bottom of the Google profile. One says reserve a table, one says online ordering system or order online. If you do not have your own online ordering system and you have the third party like Just Eat, Deliveroo, these hyperlinked will redirect your customer to their website. So again, you are pushing your customers away from you to the third parties. So let's talk about another company, which is Food Hub. A lot of restaurants are complaining about Food Hub being ripped off by this company. First of all, they will not tell you how much they would charge from the online payment gateway, which is Datman they use. Apparently, Datman owns Food Hub, which they will not tell you. They'll tell you it is a third party online payment gateway. Now, 3.4% compared to 1.4% is a significant higher amount of money you are paying from your pocket. Not only that, if you use the EPOS system, every time you take an order over the phone from customers using their EPOS system, they collect the customer number, they send out a link to the customers to take the payment. whereas this customer may have paid in cash or paid by card over the counter. That way you save a lot of these commissions. Like 3.4% is really high. And second point is the food hub will never give you the domain ownership, and that can be exploited big times. Obviously you will not get any customer data. Divert customer, again with the wizard they will divert your customer to their payment link and charge you a lot of hidden commissions. Plus, the customer service is extremely bad. If you have any issues with the EPOS system, you want to update your offering or menu, it takes ages for them to update. Whereas in our one, most of the stuff you can do yourself, but other stuff you have your dedicated account manager who will one to one will be communicating with you for to resolve any issues that you may have. Difficult to cancel the subscription. Suppose you have decided to move away from Food Hub. You will keep trying and contacting them. You request to cancel your subscription. They will tell you, yes, it's done, I will do it. But months and months, restaurant are not being able to remove the links from their website, from your Google profile or other online places. And it confuses the customer. When the customer search for you for your restaurant, they ended up getting these food ups links. When they click on the link, it says we are closed, or a lot of confusions creates to the customers. So it is really important to consider these things before you choose food up. And obviously, most importantly, this is the only company, like unlike Just Eat, Deliveroo, Uber, although they charge very high commission, but they're transparent. They'll tell you. I'm not justifying that Just Eat is good, but I'm telling you that they tell you I'll charge you 20% or 30%, but Food Hub will tell you we are giving everything free, but lot of hidden charges. So be careful with Food Hub. Now I will highlight some of the most common questions that are being asked to us by restaurant owners and how we answer. Let's talk about the first one. So, like most of the restaurant owner, when they decide to buy from us, they ask, "Would my current customer be confused by the new website?" Obviously, as a matter of fact, nowadays most customer they do not type the web address; they click the links. They search in Google. When they see the website link, as you can see in the picture website, we will set up your new website link in here. They'll click the link, it will directly take them to your website. So 95% of the customer do nowadays do not type the web address. Plus, when we create or developed the new website, we will promote and place a banner telling the customer welcome to our new website, so they know they have to register again. Now, even for example, by a certain percentage of customer may get confused, may call you, "Oh, I went to your website, it looks like different." It's a temporary issue, maybe for a couple of days or maybe a couple of weeks. But for these 1 or 2 weeks issues, if you refrain from having your own ordering system, it will harm for longer term. But once you overcome this issue within 2 to 3 weeks, which we will help you step by step, how to diverse other customer to your restaurant, then you will make a huge significant save for longer term. And we are dealing this kind of customers who are in the same situation as you on a regular basis. So that's not an issue at all. So next point is, how about my current customer data? Now, if you have some customer data, obviously we can use and we can help you guide how to, send all this customer text message that we have a new website being developed. This is the web address. And even if you don't have the customer data and you are worried your current customer might get confused, as I explained before, you do not have to worry about that, because customers, when they see the links in the Google, in your Google business profile, they'll click the link and they will be redirected to the new website, so there's no confusions. Now, can you connect with my current domain? If if you have a domain and you have the ownership, yes, certainly we can do that. Can you recover our domain from the other suppliers? Yes, we get a lot of complaints from our lot of clients that the previous service provider are not helping them or not giving them the ownership or access to the domain which they initially bought for their restaurants. Yes, by law they have to give it back. If not, we will help you get that. There are various services which, with a little bit cost and couple of paperworks, which we will support you. It can be recovered. It is possible, very much possible. Can you gain access to the Google profile from the previous supplier? Yes, we can do that. We know how Google works and we have expertise to do that. We can help you on that as well. Now, can you do social media marketing for us? And a lot of our customers ask us. First of all, we said we will do the search engine optimization for your Google. If you want to do the social media marketing, then we have partnered with a good marketing agency. We will introduce you to them. There are multiple packages. You can choose the right packages, and what is best, if you obviously you have to pay the additional cost for the social media marketing depending on the package you choose. And with this company, the best thing is they know us and we know them, how they work, and if we provide the website, how it should be promoted, and what is the key terms that need to be promoted, and how your social media marketing campaign should be strategized, they understand better than anybody because they work with us together. So yes, we can help you with that. So what is the price for the social media marketing? As I said, depending on the package you choose, and however, you get better deals. Being a GKSoft customer, they will give you a really good discount on the services. Okay, finally, if you want to contact us or if you want to know more about our service and our packages, you can simply visit our website www.gksoft.co.uk, or you can call us directly to our landline 01633 837 or email us at admin@gksoft.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have a successful business career. Thank you very much.